Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, grade 6. Welcome to computer session. Today we will complete chapter 5 about Scratch, Frog Maze game. Last week we have learned how to add new sprite and how to change the location or start point of frog sprite to x equal 0 and y equal minus 139, and how to add forever loop to make the frog sprite move until the end of the game, and how to add if block to make logical test when I click an up arrow in the keyboard, move up in the maze game. 10 steps. Okay, today we will learn how to change the size of the frog sprite, and how to change the size of gift sprite, and how to change the location or start point of the gift, and how to make sound when the frog sprite touch the gift sprite, and how to add backdrop or background of the game. Okay, let's start. Lesson number 3. When I reach to prize, make a sound. How to make this? First, I want to change the size of the frog sprite. Okay, choose frog sprite and go to script area and blocks and make size to 100 and change it to 2500%. Okay, as this, change the size to quarter of size of the original size. Okay, and then change the start point to minus 39 in x and minus 150 in y. Okay, as this. Okay, and the same to gift sprite. Choose gift sprite. I want to make the event and change the size of the gift sprite, and change the start point of the gift sprite or the location of gift sprite. Okay, choose gift sprite and start the script with event when green flag clicked. Blocks, choose set size to 100% and change to 50%. Okay, and change the location of the gift from motion block, go to x equal minus 59 at x and plus 161 in y. Okay, is it right? Okay, now I want to add backdrop or background from my computer. Choose stage PNG as this. As you see, the frog sprite at the start of the maze game and the gift at the end. Okay, now we make scripts to gift sprite and change the size to half of the original size, and make the location x equal minus 59 in x and y equal 161. Okay, now I back to frog sprite script. I already added the up arrow movement to go up 10 steps when I click the keyboard at up arrow. Okay, I want to add down arrow and right and left arrows. Okay, how I make this? To make the script simplify, I want to add new command block by more blocks. Choose make block and name it k move block. Okay, click OK to make another block, and choose if block and choose if block and drag to this block. Okay, and make k move block in the original place. Okay, Okay, now I make new command block. I want to add the other movement. Right click, choose duplicate, the change up arrow to down arrow, and choose direction to down, and make the movement equal 5 and equal 5. Okay, and I want to add new movement to right or left. I want to choose right arrow and make the direction to right. Okay, the last movement to left, change the K to left arrow and direction to left. Okay, now I make the 4 movement of the arrows in the keyboard: up, down, left and right. Okay, let's try it again. When I click right, move 5 steps, up, move 5 steps, right, down, right, up, and so on to reach to the right. Okay, now I want to make a block. When the frog sprite touch the gift sprite, make a sound. Okay, how? First, with control block, choose if statement and drag it to script area and forever loop inside, and make the logical test if touching from sensing block, touching, drag to the test and choose touching what? Gift sprite. Okay, what happened when the frog sprite touch the gift sprite? Make sound. Go to sound block and play sound. I want to change pop sound to triumph sound. Okay, how? From this one and choose search for triumph sound, this one. Okay, choose it and get script again and choose it from here. Okay, let's try to make this. If I reach to okay, today we have learned how to change the size of the frog and the gift sprites, and how to change the location of each one, and how to make new command block to make the script simplify. Okay, and how to add the F block to up arrow and down arrow and right and left arrow. Okay, and make sound when the frog sprite touch the gift sprite. Okay, in the next week inshallah we'll learn how to add new enemy sprite, line sprite, to catch the frog sprite by using random movement, and to add a block when the frog touch the black line, stop. Okay, to end the game. Okay, I hope you get it. If you need any help, contact with me anytime. Goodbye, thank you. If you want to make quick revision what we have learned, okay, I want to change the size of the frog sprite to 25% and to the gift sprite to 50%, and change the location of each one of them, and add a block when the frog sprite touch gift sprite, make triumph sound. Okay, and make the K move new block up, down, right and left. Okay, let's try to make this again. Okay, first I want to change X to -39 and Y to minus 150. Okay, and we want to change the size of the frag sprite and gift sprite. Okay, first blocks and choose set size to 100% and change it to 25%. Okay, as this. Okay, change the size and the location. Okay, I want to make the same to gift sprite. Choose gift sprite and start with event. When you flag clicked, start the game and change the size to 50% from next block, and change the location by going to motion block and choose go to X and Y. X equal minus 29 and Y equal plus 161. Okay, as this. Okay, now I want to add background or backdrop. Okay, choose from a computer, new backdrop, and choose your background as this, and the back script of the frag sprite. Now I want to add a block when the frag sprite touch the gift sprite, make sound. Okay, go to control blocks and choose if statement here, and the logical test touching from sensing block, choose touching mouse pointer and change it to our sprite gift sprite. Okay, what happens when the frag sprite touch gift sprite, make sound. Go to sound block and choose play sound. I want to change the sound of pop sound to triumph sound. Okay, go to pop and change it, record, and choose new sound and search for triumph sound. Triumph sound, this one, and click it to choose from list. Okay, now I want to add other movement, down, right, left, to the frag sprite movement. Okay, first I want to make simplify the script. Okay, I want to move the if statement out of forever loop and make new command block from more block, make block called k move block. Okay, this one. Okay, to make all movement of the frag sprite here. Okay, and make the block replaced by the if statement here. Okay, the new command block replaced by k move block. Okay, now I want to add down and right and left arrows, duplicate and change to down arrow and direction to down. Okay, and I want to make the steps 5 steps only. Okay, duplicate again and change to right arrow and direction to right. Okay, the last one to left arrow and direction to left. Okay, now I made all the movement of the frag sprite and the block when frag sprite touch gift sprite. Let's try. When the frag sprite reaches to the gift sprite, make the triumph sound. Okay, Inshallah, next week we will learn how to make F block when the flag sprite touch the black line stop, okay, and how to add line sprite to catch flag sprite by using random movement to end the game. Okay, thank you, goodbye.